Hey YouTube, what is up guys? So we're just gonna jump straight into this video. Lately I've been doing a lot of get ready with me looks because I'm trying to expand the direction of the channel, and so hopefully you guys enjoy this little get ready with me. So pretty much this video is in partnership with Ishow hair. They sent me 4 bundles of 24-inch 613 hair, and they also sent me a 613 frontal. All the hair was straight, it wasn't body wave or anything like that. This hair was super duper thick. Like, this hair was so thick, so full, which I absolutely love. The hair took to the watercolor amazing, and you guys have seen a million tutorials here on YouTube on how to watercolor, and I'll also link in the description box down below one of my watercoloring tutorials. I watercolored the hair. I said that like 13,000 times by now, sorry guys. What I loved about this color, or not even about the color, what I loved about the hair and the company itself, this hair came in like record speed time. Like, if you're looking to get your 613 bundles in a timely manner, I'm pretty sure this hair came in like 2 days. Not even gonna lie, I was so shocked when I saw this hair coming. So of course I definitely want to highlight that this hair company is super fast, super effective, super efficient. Their service in terms of communicating with the seller is amazing. Now time for the grand reveal, and as you can see, the color is so bright, so beautiful. I'm so in love with it. The hair curled amazing, and this hair actually flat irons incredibly as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. Of course, all the links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.